Okay, so my brother is going to, or did remove his tire from the back of his Jeep, and he's putting a plate on the back, and you can see this one. They sell black plates, and this one has a cutout. So he wants to do a cutout, but we want to make it light up. So instead of putting a piece of paper or plastic behind it like this, we're going to make a plastic piece that raises this out about half an inch, quarter of an inch, somewhere between there, and has a frosted acrylic plate behind it that we can put LEDs behind and light it up. So here is the initial design. I've only recessed this middle plate here just for illustration purposes, but the outside of this, we'll make two of those, so it's twice as thick. And then the acrylic in the middle there, we printed out a frosted acrylic. We'll make one of those. And this is going to be cut out in the laser cutter using this exact image. Let's go get it done. And here's our assembly. We have two quarter-inch acrylic black for the outsides to give us the right depth, and one frosted light should come through it. So what we do is we line up this black one, and one of these edges is fatter than the other, so you got to get the right ones, but they should line up perfectly. Then the same thing's true. This is the thicker, this is the thinner, this is the thicker side. So I'll line those up, and I guess I have this on the back of the flag, so I'm gonna pop that into place. And it is engineered to less than 1/3 of a millimeter, like a 1/10 of a millimeter. It's perfect. So you can see that's laid in there. So what happens is that'll look like that, but it'll be red. And in order to give us some space for the thickness of the LEDs, we're going to lay in like that. Then I've temporarily rigged up an LED setup here for you. All right, so this is the fully assembled unit. And you can see we have on the back 2 layers of black. I can kind of show you there. And then the white is inset so that you have room for your lights. And I mean, heck, you could glue gun these, you could epoxy these in, you could gaffing tape them, whatever you want to do. And right now I got them rigged up to this little 12-volt transformer. And as you can see, it's translucent, so this will be up against the Jeep. I'm gonna lay this down so it's dark, and that's what it's look like when your lights aren't running. And then when you do run your lights, And when you lay those strips in, you want to lay them so they alternate the LEDs.